Okay, folks, the old one's out. I did find the bolt. It was on the ground, thank goodness. So when you're pulling it out, make sure you take your finger and cover and hold on to that bolt, because that could have been bad if it had dropped in the wrong spot. But anyway, it sits in there like this, and actually more like this. And this bolt right here is the one that won't come all the way out. So what you have to do is, when you get it pried back and pushed back this way, you have to rotate it like this for it to come out, and then pull it out. So I'm gonna put it back in the same way. I do want to mention one thing. One second. Of course, you want to take the cap off the splines. But when I pulled it out, I noticed there was a little bit of oil right here on this seal, and I don't know if it's necessary or not. But I did see another YouTuber say that the manual recommends a little dab of oil, so I just got a little off the dipstick on my pickup and put it on there. Not much. So I'm gonna slide this back in there. Of course, you got to get the splines to line up, and you may have to wiggle it a little bit to do that. But I don't have a phone stand, and you probably don't want to hear me cussing if it comes to that. So I'm gonna just stop the video now, and we'll transition to the next segment here in a second.